It's very important to know how to avoid having reused content in 2024 than actually fixing reused content, because I've worked with so many creators on YouTube. I help them overcome reused content in their YouTube channel, and every month they keep making the same mistake that got them reused content in the first place. So I decided to couple a video and teach you how to avoid reused content in 2024. So make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's dive into it. The first way for you to avoid reused content in 2024 is to become intentional about your content. What do I mean by becoming intentional about your content? Whenever you are posting videos in your YouTube channel, become so intentional, because if you have reused content this month, which is April 2024, you will actually notice that it's because of the mistake you made last month that made you to have reused content this month. Now hold on, let me explain. Every month YouTube is always sending someone to review your YouTube channel. So every month they are sending someone to look at the content you posted last month to actually know if you failed one of their community guidelines, if you actually failed any of their terms and conditions, and if you do, you will get hit with reused content. So when you become intentional, you will notice that in the past months you have not been having reused content in your YouTube channel. So if you actually become intentional about your YouTube videos that you are posting, you will actually notice that you changed a lot of things that made you to have the reused content. You actually know that maybe you made a lot of mistakes last month. That's what made you to have reused content this month. You understand what I'm saying? Now let me explain this. Some people that I've worked with, they started creating videos in their YouTube channel, and the next thing they do, they go on the platform like TikTok, Instagram, and they get some of these videos, combine it together or react to it a little bit by just folding their hands and watching, right? And they post it in their YouTube channel, maybe on their YouTube shorts, and they get hit by reused content. Now listen up. Whether you are posting YouTube videos, which is long-term videos, or you are posting YouTube shorts, you are liable to reuse content. You understand what I mean? So you have to really be intentional about that. So when you become so intentional, you will easily fix reuse content. I mean, it's not rocket science. You will actually know that there was a way that we are doing stuff the past months that you are not having reuse content, but there is a way you started doing things last month that made you to have reused content this month. So that's the first way to avoid reused content in 2024. Now the second way for you to avoid reused content in 2024 is to become more intentional about the kind of background music you are using in your videos. I keep on saying this over and over again. A lot of you make mistakes and mess up with your YouTube videos and your YouTube monetization just because of the background music you are using. I always advise people, please, if your monetization is important to you, kindly go to YouTube audio library and pick up background sounds that you can use in your videos. Going to all these other platforms and paying for license and all this stuff is not going to help you. It's actually going to put you in more troubles. So I have helped a lot of channels tell them that, listen, what is really causing reused content in your channel is because of the background sound you are using. You have to be careful. Only get your sound from YouTube audio library. Unless you are the one that created the sound in your studio, you cannot use it. Now, some of you all use celebrity sound, like, all these artists and all these people. Listen up. All the sound you are using is being licensed. All this music you are using is being distributed. There is a content identification on YouTube and all these other platforms. Now, I'm an artist, right? I make music. Now, you can go check my music out, right? Now, I make music, but let me surprise you. I cannot actually use my own music and make background sound for this particular YouTube video that you are watching. Do you know why? Because I distributed those music with a distributor. Now I get the distributor the right to go on the internet and, demonetize, strike, or earn money from any video that is using my music in their background. You understand how that goes? So YouTube doesn't want to get sued. What YouTube does is they identify some of these videos, they take the money, they pay to the owner of the music you are using, because that's the way it's programmed to be. So you have to be intentional about the background sound you're using. Okay, now the third way for you to avoid reused content in 2024 is to stop making compilation videos without actually reacting to these videos. Now, I get a lot of YouTube channels that just get videos from TikTok and all these people, or they can go download a movie and post it and say they are doing reaction. They just put a editing on the videos and think that is going to save them. Nah, you are not going to get monetized, because that was what I was doing the day I started YouTube. I started posting interviews of celebrities and it started getting a lot of views, and I think because I'm doing that, I'm liable to make money on YouTube. No, you are not working. That's the truth. YouTube actually wants you to work. So if you're going to be making compilation videos, there is nothing wrong about that, okay? But you have to do it the right way. Now, what is the right way is doing reactions whenever you are making these videos. You cannot just combine videos together and post it, or go copy someone's movie and post it without actually reacting to it. So you have to work. YouTube wants you to work for the money. So if you're going to be making dollars on YouTube, bruh, you have to work. YouTube really wants you to work, and they want you to be intentional. Just like if you have a job right now and there's terms and conditions at your job, your boss is telling you if you come late, your money is going to be reduced. If you come late for 1 week, we are going to sack you. If you make this mistake, so there's terms and conditions. The same way it is on YouTube. So you have to be intentional. So stop making compilation videos, stop posting people's movies without reacting to the movies. So you have to be intentional about these stuff. Now, the last way I have for you to avoid reused content in 2024 is to reach out to me. Yeah, reach out to me. Listen up, if you currently have reused content in your YouTube channel, you probably don't know what to do, because YouTube doesn't tell you the videos that are causing reused content in your channel. Now, that's where I come in. I've helped hundreds of channels overcome reused content with evidence, with testimonies. You can go to this YouTube community tab and check some of the screenshots I posted. You can reach out to these channels and ask them about me, ask them about Sonwa Life. They will tell you it's real. I'm not, making it up. I'm not trying to post other stuff and do that. So I have helped hundreds of channels overcome reused content. I have helped channels that are terminated come back to life, using mine as an example, right? So any issues of the monetization you are having in your YouTube channel, kindly reach out to me to help you. But know that it costs money. It's not for free. So whenever you're reaching out to me, whether on Instagram, via email, on the DM, on the comment section, reach out to me, but always know that it costs money to do this. You understand? I'm not doing it for free. It's actually business. So one thing I promise you, I'm going to help you fix your reused content issue. I'm going to help you fix your demonetization issues, because I've done it over and over and over again, and it's working 100%. So reach out to me. I'm going to help you out. Thanks for watching this video. If my channel have helped you in the past, what you can do is to go under the comment section right now and share your testimonies. Let other people that are watching this channel see that it's actually working. See that I actually helped you in the past fix your reused content. Let them know, man. Don't be greedy. Share testimonies is very important. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for supporting the channel. I really appreciate. To reach out to me, you can also see all those details on the descriptions of this video. So do that, and God bless you. Catch you guys later.